Smart cities is a very complex concept, or actually, it's very easy. It's about making the life of citizens better in cities. This is something that has been driving politically and technically the work of many, many European cities to, as I said, improve life in their urban areas. Eurocities is working on this concept. And of course, the main element to underline is that smart cities is not one thing, is not one, let's say, how do you call it, one fit-for-all approach. Yes, it's very diverse, the way in which cities see that. But having said that, cities all look for very, important and key and common principles around smart cities, which are at the center and the core of the concept of smart cities. There has to be the citizens, their needs, their work, their life. So the idea is to improve, as I said, the quality of their life. So smart cities have to have that as an objective. And in this respect, one of the main principles is that technology in this process is not an objective of smart cities, but it's an enabler. So when we think of technologies, yes, we can think of very high-tech solutions and so on, but even like electric bicycles or electric cars, something that will make the life of citizens again better, for them to go to work in a faster way, in a more sustainable way, and so on. So smarter cities is not only about technology, but it's about a more holistic approach to the city of the future. So that's one element, but there's also the important thing that we try to push at the European level is the role of cities in developing smart cities. Cities, maybe with a big C, if we can say that, are players. They are not objects to be studied, they are not the place where users of technological solutions are living and so on. They are also actors in the governance of a smart city. They enable a collaboration with universities, with citizens, with businesses and so on. So they are at the center of a very important governance process that will make smart cities possible. So this is the main messages that we want the EU to recognize, and for that we really call on the EU institutions to have us on board when they develop EU policies that impact cities in this field. Well, the Green Digital Charter is our most important project within Eurocities because it has, in a way, helped the development of the concept of smarter cities, of smart cities. It has been one of the first ideas and way to help cities to use ICT to become greener, to become more sustainable, to work on energy efficiency, for instance. So it has been the first, let's say, attempt to use ICT to make our cities more sustainable and have a better quality of life for cities. So this has been, this is our, let's say, project, our key project in this field.